It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. And tonight we got a special firework, like a smaller fountain firework from Santan Fireworks that sells these, and it's actually from Pyro Box. Okay, so you can see right there, Pyro Box. Great little logo, fireworks. You know who these people are. It says Kids Family. So, and for my buddy Ryan in Florida, there's the number of the product. There you go. There you go, Ryan. All right, so let's come over here. Right. So, pyroboxfireworks.com. You got the Safe and Sane logo. They're down here again. I love it. So, what do they look like inside? So, I was curious. So, here we go. Let me open it up. There we go. Look at this. So they remind me of flashing fountains. Let me dump the box. It might be easier. There we go. So they remind me of flashing fountains, but they got all the. I just keep laughing at it. They have all the different characters from the Nickelodeon show. So we're gonna come back, and you can see we got blue. We got pink, we got yellow, and I don't know, kind of like another yellowish orange. We're going to go ahead and take a look at these. When it gets dark, we'll light them off. So, be right back. Let's go when it gets dark to the launch pad for Kids Family. To the launch pad. And you could see Pyro Box Kids Family. So there are 4 mini fountains. And if you didn't figure out the name of the Nickelodeon kids show, it was Fairly Odd Parents, I believe it is. So, wow, watch that a lot with kids and grandkids growing up. So we're going to do one at a time, but we're going to keep filming. So here we go. Here's the first one. Whoa! That's a pretty decent height for it. All right, that was yellow. All right, now here's another yellow one. Whoa! All right, yeah, they're kind of quick. Hence why we're doing them all at the same time here. Well, one individually, but there we go. Whoa! Well, that one's got a little bit of a kick. There we go. Ah, it's got that pyro smell. All right, let's do the last one. Very good, birds. All right. You know what we say? BBQ.